You said don't make it weird, then ghosted me mid-verse. I wrote you into every chorus, now you're just a secondhand curse. I saw your new girl's playlist, it's just stars with the worst taste.
You called me too dramatic, but you cried when I erased.
You blocked me mid-course right before the scream left me with the echo
Of what we could have been.
You said we're just noise,
But I was your favorite sound. Now I'm singing solo while you mute me in the crowd.
you mute me in the crowd.
I dyed my hair to spite you, bleach blonde full regret.
You liked me best in grayscale, but I'm neon now upset. I saved your texts like lyrics,
Then burn the whole damn file.
you said we're not a love song, but I still play you in denial. You blocked me mid-course right before the scream left me with the echo of what we could have been. We were split ends tangled in a thrift store dream. Now I'm fading louder.
Then your silence ever seemed.
Silence ever sane. Silence ever sane. You blocked me mid-course right before the scream left me with the